29 under 0. 29 under 0, which is 46, 24. 46 difference 5. 46 difference 5. 29 under 0, which is 46, 24, and difference of 5. That is 7. So 7. So we add 7 to this. Then that will be 1, 3, 6, 4. So we have 4, 6, 3, 1. And now, since we have division in between the numerator and the denominator, so we subtract. So at the end, we are going to have 2, 0, 1, 3.4. So now, we go to our antilog of numbers. We check for 31 under 0, difference of 2. Antilog of numbers. So we check for 31. 31 under 0. 31 under 0 is 2042. Difference of 2. 31 under 0. Difference of 2. That is 1. So we add 1 to this. That becomes 2043. So we have 2043. And since this is moving, you have 4. So it will move 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there will be 0. So you have 20, 4, 3, 0. So the answer to the second question is 20,430. Powers and roots. This talks about numbers expressed in index form. Example 1. Evaluate. A. 3.55 raised to power 4. B. Fourth root of 40,000. C. Root of 94,100 times 38.2 divided by 5.68 raised to power 3 times 8.14. In all, we have 3 questions to solve. So these are the questions. A, we have 3.55 raised to power 4. B, we have fourth root of 40,000. Then C, we have square root of 94,100 times 38.2 divided by 5.68 raised to power 3 times 8.14. The instruction on this one is that we have to express it to 2 significant figures. We have to express this to 2 significant figures. So, solution now. The first question, the difference between this one and the previous done is that this one comes with power. Like this one has power of 4, while this one is fourth root. And this one is square root. So there is another unique way of solving questions that has to do with roots and power. So the first one now, solution. We have 3.55 raised to power 4. So number log reading. So we have 3.55 raised to power 4. So what we do here is we look for the logarithm of this number and we now multiply the value by 4. So in looking for the logarithm of the number, we go to the 4-figure table and check. Remember that there is a digit before the decimal, so automatically this one becomes 0 points. So we have 35 under 5. Logarithm of numbers. 35 under 5. So 35 under 5 will give us 5502. We have 5502. Then we multiply this by 4. We multiply this by 4 and it will give us 8002.2, 22. So we have 2.008. So this is the, since the question asks us to look for the log reading, we have to look for the log reading. So we have this. But if the question asks us to look for the antilog of this now, we can now say 20. We go to antilog of numbers, 20, antilog. Antilog. So we go to antilog of number, we check for 20 under 0. Antilog of number, 20 under 0. 20 under 0, which is 1585. 1585. 20 under 0. Difference 8. Difference 8. Difference 8 is 3. So we add the 3 to it, so it becomes 8815. So 81588. And since you have 2 points, automatically it will shift 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So we'll have 158.8. So this is the answer for that question. Then the second question, which is fourth root of 40,000. Fourth root of 40,000 is also will result into number log reading. So number log reading here we have 40,000. This time around is raised to power 1 over 4. So we have to divide. So how many digits do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Automatically it will be reduced to 4 points. Then we'll go to the log reading of number and we'll check for 40 under 0. 40 under 0 is 60, 21. So we have 60, 21. So we divide by 4. So we divide by 4, and if we divide this by 4 by using our electronic device, then we'll have 1.1505. So that is the result that we are going to get from there. Then we will now result into the use of antilog. So by using antilog of numbers, we go there and check for 15 under 0 difference 5. 15 under 0 difference 5. 15 under 0 gives us 14, 13. Difference of 5. 15 under 0 difference of 5. So we go to difference of 5 and we see we have 2. So we have that difference. So we have 5, 1, 4, 1. So we have 1, 4, 1, 5. So since we have 1, so it will move 2 places automatically to be 1, 2. So the answer will be 14.15. So 14.15 is the answer. The third question now, we have square root of 94,100 times 38.2 divided by 5.68 raised to power 3 times 8.14. So we also result to number log reading. Number log reading. So here we have our numerator, which is 94,100 raised to power half. That is a simple mathematical expression for that, for this value. Then we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits. Automatically it will be raised to 4. So 4 points. So 4 points. Then we go to logarithm of number and check for 94 under 1. 94 under 1. Logarithm of number 94 under 1. 94 under 1 will give us 9736. We have 9736. 9736. Remember, there is 1 over 2 here, so you divide by 2. Divide by 2. So by the use of electronic device, 4.9736 divided by 2 give us 2.4868. 2.4868. Then the second one is 38.2. So you have to dig before the decimal. Mathematically it will be reduced to 1. So that means we are going to check for logarithm of numbers. 38 under 2. So we check for 38 under 2. 38 under 2 is 5821. 5821. So, and since there is a multiplication sign in between these two values, automatically we had this. We had it up. So that's 9, 8, 16, 6, remainder 1, then you have 10, 0.4 here. Then we come to the denominator that has 5.68 raised to power 3. So we go to this.